Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the very rare 2005 Chrysler Crossfire SRT-6. Not many people really know about this car, but those of you that do realize how rare and special this car is. Little over 30,000 miles on this example. It is absolutely pristine. And yeah, it's just so cool because I've wanted to drive one of these for such a long time. A Crossfire in general, not even an SRT-6. I never thought I'd ever get my hands on one, but here we are. Interior, obviously based on the Mercedes SLK, like your SRS airbag in the door. That's Mercedes font. SRT-6 badging. Oh, this thing is just so cool. But I think we should go for a drive. That I think is a good idea. Take a look at this interior. Oh man, so cool. Your cup holder, and I don't want to break it. There we go. Cup holder. How on earth? There we go. Oh, so cool. Oh, wow. Turn the fan speed down a little bit. Perfect. All right. No backup camera, man. They really skimped on technology in 05. Trying to think. I think this was the first supercharged Mopar product. I'm trying to think of ones beforehand. I don't think there was, because I know Viper was NA, SRT-4 was turbo. I don't, unless I'm forgetting about some project in the 70s or 60s.
No, I don't think so.
I think this was the first.
Yep. First and only.
Well, except for the Hellcat.
Yeah,
for the 6, yes. Yeah, only SRT-6. It's kind of odd. They made right about, what was it, 1,000 or so of these?
About 2,000 of the coupes and 2,000 of the convertibles.
Oh, that's more than I thought, but there's probably only about 1,000 left anyway. Just between some people, you know, would buy these and just drive them as a normal car and not realize how rare and desirable they would become.
Sure.
And I just loved this era of the early 2000s, the retro vibe, the retro futuristic. One of the few people that thinks the PT Cruiser is kind of cool. Love the Prowler. Love the SSR, just that early 2000s, the new age stuff. It was just cool. It's so cool.
Yep.
I mean, that era also gave you cars such as the Ford GT, the Porsche Carrera GT. There's some good torque to it. Wow. Product that I think if they made this today, it would sell so well. Because now you think about, everybody wants a affordable two-door performance car. Like this was, I think this came out right after the 350Z had come back. I think that was in 03. And in terms of handling, it's actually very planted, obviously non-adjustable suspension. Actually pretty good.
Yeah. This was made to compete with the Z.
And I've driven a bunch of Z's, and this just has that. It doesn't have the boy racer vibe that the Z really had that I think is the reason why everybody under 25 wants one. But that's what I kind of like about it. It's different. It feels more sophisticated. It has like that kind of thing that somebody in their 30s would enjoy more than somebody that's 16 and just got their license. And yeah, you could sit here and nitpick and be like, oh well, this is all like rubberized plastic. Who cares? Like, who really cares? This is just kind of cool. You know, you pull up to a car show, you know 9 times out of 10 you're gonna be the only one with one of these. And the SRT-6 had very minor differences compared to the normal one. I mean, obviously, you'd start digging deep in all the mechanicals and stuff like that. You have the SRT touches on everything. But if you looked at this on the street, you wouldn't really know. And that's what I kind of like about it. I've grown to appreciate cars that kind of you have to drive to enjoy and know what you're looking at. Mind if I roll into it here?
Step into it.
Wow. Wow, that is genuinely impressive. And this was before every single car had like millions of airbags and tons of weight, so it's a pretty lightweight car. Feels to me probably like 3,700 pounds or so. I like it. I like it a lot. It really does. And the steering feel, it's nicely weighted. It's not unbearable. You can feel kind of what the wheel's doing. It's obviously not an electric power steering. It is hydraulic. This is one of those cars that nobody talks about, but I think more people should. And unfortunately now, cars, holy crap, this car's 20 years old. Oh, that makes me feel old. Yeah, this is a car that has come and gone and nobody really talked about much. It's a 1-year only car. Those who bought it, and then that was it. And unless you know Mopar and Chrysler, you have no idea this car ever existed. That's kind of a bit of a shame in my eyes, because this is a damn good car. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.